Sure.
No, ma'am.
Any confusion in the fillers?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today, as I told you, the session is on picture composition, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told you that I'll be showing you a picture and then you all will be describing the picture in your own words, right? So I'm doing the same.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll be doing the same. I'm just sharing the picture with you all. Is the picture visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm giving you all 10 minutes. I'm giving you all 10 minutes. You all have to quickly write. Okay, I want you all to write and then send it to me. Quickly.
What are they supposed to write? Describe the picture.
Yes, ma'am. Today's picture composition. Yesterday we did on fillers. So when we
that
describe
was-
the pictures, we'll also be covering fillers with that.
And once they send it to you, ask them only to read it.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't read them. And also tell them
Yes,
to
ma'am.
describe elaborately. They're in senior class. They should not,
Yes, ma'am.
just like write like class 3 or 4. It should be done elaborately, quickly, in 10 minutes.
Children, you have
It's a
to
complicated
describe the
picture, they
picture
can-
in details, okay? Elaborate. Don't just write like this, write properly.
There is a this, there is a that, not like that. Let them what they visualize from it, that they have to write. Take के भी they can say, they would take, if they're taking too much time to write now, then you can ask them to see it and start
Yes, ma'am.
telling also after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
can just,
Children, you can see and start speaking after 10 minutes, okay? Oral.
let them write, no, let them write and then they can start speaking also after sending to you. Because then everybody will not get chance to speak. How many participants are there? Very few. They will be able to do it.
Ma'am, can you please show that picture again?
Picture has to be kept constantly for some time, Jyoti. So that it is-
Yes, just give me a moment. Is it visible, children?
No, ma'am, not now.
No, ma'am.
No. Wait, I'll share it again then.
Focus on the details as well. The picture has
Now can
many
you all see?
details. Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please don't write like class 2 kids. Write properly, okay? Given all the details.
I think they
Am
can
I
also
audible?
frame a story around the picture.
That is what they have to do.
Huh.
What is happening? What can they see? Children, please look into all the details that are there in the picture. That is why I did not give you a simple picture. I gave you a picture which is full of lot many things.
Hmm.
Look into all the details, okay? Try and frame a story on your own and of your own, okay? Don't ask anybody, just try and do it on your own. Children, are you all writing? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much more time do you need, children?
Ma'am, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. Children, kindly frame a proper story. Okay, don't write there is a red car, there is a blue car, there is an ambulance, this and that, there's a police car. Don't write like this. Kindly frame a proper story on what you can see in the picture. Kriti ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm here.
If you want, you can also write your perspective.
Acha, okay.
Hope you're done with it, children, now. Shall we start discussing, children?
I think, ma'am, we should start with the discussion because it's beyond time.
Exactly.
We can start one by one.
Right. So,
Are you ready?
we
All
only
have done the mics are off.
have only 4 kids today. We only have Yatharth, Aviral, and Yatharth Verma. Where are the others today? Okay, children. We'll start with Shubh today. Shubh, can you read out what you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Your point of view on the picture that you just saw.
Ma'am, should I speak?
Yes, start.
Ma'am, it is the picture of a city which is located in the USA. But nowadays the city is badly suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic. These people were too courageous and having lot of happiness in their life. But nowadays their life are affected by the COVID-19. Hope they will get right soon.
Okay. Yatharth, how many fillers did he use in the story that he narrated?
Ma'am, I counted 2, ma'am, because he was breaking in some lines.
Right. So, what were the fillers that he used?
And,
Okay. Can you suggest some fillers that he could use instead of something that he could do to improve this?
Ma'am, ma'am, one line after the pandemic, he described the pandemic. So he could use I mean.
I mean. Shubh, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Yatharth, can you just, if you remember what he said, can you just correct him and tell him where could he use I mean?
Ma'am, like he described that there is a pandemic going on. I mean, they are very courageous and they are there to go out. Then I hope, ma'am, after that I don't remember.
Okay. So, Shubh, you
Yes, ma'am.
almost use 3 to 4 fillers which could be replaced by the fillers that can be used. Like I told you, these fillers are to be avoided, right? But some fillers
Yes, ma'am.
like I mean, I guess, these fillers can be used. So there was a place where you could use I guess also, I mean also. When you were describing the pandemic, you could use these fillers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, Yatharth, it is your turn to narrate what you have written, to read out what you have written. Yatharth, I think there is some connectivity issue. Aviral, he'll join back by the time you can start with your story. Aviral?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, join with, start with your story, Vita.
Okay. This picture shows us our city life, which is too noisy nowadays. It shows that how whole city is crowded by vehicles, people, animals, and statues. It also shows the overpopulation, which causes in the reduction of natural resources and also reduction in more better medical facilities.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you look at the picture and narrate more. This is not the end to the picture. This cannot be the end, beta. There are n number of things which are there in the picture which you could describe. Yatharth Verma.
See, children, when you describe things should be in connection. Suddenly you are saying it relates reduction of what did you say? Natural resources and reduction of better medical facilities. So they're not too related to each other, no? So you should build it like a story. If there are more number of people, they will demand more from resources. So resources will get depleted and we will not be able to provide better facilities for health, education, anything. You have to build like a story. Don't be nervous, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Aviral, so ma'am has also
Good.
given you a lot
But
of
it-
points. Can you?
It was a good attempt, but you have to make like a story and one point should be connected to the next point. You're in class 8th and 9th now. Okay? Not in class 5 and 6. So you should learn to think beyond. You can make any story also around it. Somebody made a, okay, you can make a story. You can make a happy story also around it. It's not necessary that, so everybody will write with their own perception, okay? It can be also made into a happy story, right? People are enjoying, whatever, it's up to you, it's your wish. Right? Crowded by statues. Place doesn't get crowded by statues.
Exactly.
That is put for beautification. Anyway, but that was your view. So there's nothing right or wrong in that. Okay? There is
There's
a
only one statue.
Keep looking at the picture. Let the picture be there.
It's there. So Aviral, I want
There
you
is
to,
somebody is sick. That is why somebody is sick, sir. That is why he said on the hospital bed.
Okay, we'll come back to you,
Somebody on
Aviral. I
hospital.
want you to make a proper story, form a proper story. Okay. Yes, Yatharth.
Story or situation, whatever. You can describe also who's doing what each.
I think there is some problem with Yatharth's network
There's a
today. He
market
again and again.
Richa Yadav left, yeah. Shubhi Tiwari, who is Shubhi Tiwari?
Shubh Tiwari.
Very
is in
few
inside
children are
the
coming.
class.
Why are you not telling this class 9 kids to participate?
Ma'am, every day we are telling every day. Even now I texted.
You tell them there are marks for this. They are not able to speak a single line.
नहीं, generally Arohi and there are some like Ananya.
I mean, class 10th,
Arvind,
class 10th
also
students
joined.
were also joining, but today I don't know why they are all.
And class
They are
10,
not
just see that, what is his name? He has got so less marks in English and all also. Kya naam hai uska? The fair boy. He doesn't speak only this class 10 kids also. Akshay, हाँ. मतलब he has not done well in any subject. At least they should all come for this class and learn to speak and all.
Ananya,
We message them every day in the evening and before the
Yeah,
commencement
no,
of the
I'm
class.
getting it.
But they are
That is
not
obviously
joining.
it is not it should be their responsibility to join. Anyway, let them come back and not be able to speak a single word. We'll not allow them to talk in Hindi at all. These boys who have joined are still better. They still can manage. Their communication is fine compared to the others who are not joining.
Yatharth Verma,
Anyway, carry on. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
Those who have joined should benefit at least. Make it fun now. Come on. You're all doing
Share
very
your
well.
story,
Do
Yatharth
it.
Verma. Yatharth Yadav has left.
Come
I
on,
don't know.
start describing it as you wanted. There are some animals also. Oh my God, there is a guitarist.
That is why I
Too many
gave,
too many
I wanted
details in one
different
picture.
perspective. And
Yes,
that
too
is
many
why I
things
gave,
in the picture.
exactly, and that is the only reason I gave this picture, so that we can have different outlooks, different perspectives, so that the others can also see the picture through the eyes of their own friends. I mean, the detailing could be, they could see, हाँ मैंने ये चीज miss कर दिया, I missed on this, and
Right.
but children are not joining. It becomes very difficult.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I have written another story. Ma'am, should I tell?
Yeah, sure. Yatharth Verma, I'm still waiting for you. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
So go on with your story. Then Shubh can narrate one more story. See, he has written 2 stories. You have not even written one.
It is a city of USA.
And then mic muted.
It is a city of USA where the pupils are going here and there.
Pupils. People.
Sorry. Peoples are going here and there.
People's not. No, it's not people's, Yatharth. It's people. People itself is a plural word. Okay, go on. Carry on, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Nowadays, the people are suffering for COVID-19.
Just describe the picture. Just describe the picture. It has enough elements to make a story on its own. Just keep on describing one element after the other. The story will be made eventually. Can you see different
Yatharth
elements?
Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see different elements that are present in the picture? Can you see there are 2 lanes, 3 lanes, and then there are so many cars. There is there's some repairing work going on. So there is a child. There's a mall. There's a lot. There are a lot. There's a shopping. There's this thing, shopping
A lady
complex.
with,
Right. There's a lady who is coming out.
There's a person who has a broken leg, fractured leg.
So you could frame a story. Okay, wait. Have you written? Yatharth Verma,
Yes, ma'am.
have you written something, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So kindly speak up.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can you tell what is it called on which the blind man is walking on?
Where is the blind man walking on?
Ma'am, near
The right bottom corner.
Yes, ma'am.
You can call it a pavement. You can call it a, yeah.
It can be called a crossing or a pavement. He's about to cross.
Okay, Yatharth Yadav, have you written?
No, ma'am, I'm just writing. I've written. I'm just
See,
detailing
people
it.
took 20 minutes and still it's 10:35 and you all have not written.
Ma'am, but I have written quite much lines because I'm describing each and every
Every detail. Okay. Still?
May I start,
Agarwal?
ma'am?
Yes, we are waiting for you only, beta.
It is a street where the people are crowded. And here is the statue. Where people are moving here and there.
Here and there.
Without any traffic rules.
Without following any traffic rules. Okay. See, now you're getting into the details of the picture. Actually, nobody is following the traffic rules. Now you are getting into the details. Good. Come on.
Right.
And here is so much of pollution.
Okay. So to it, you can add, we can see a lot of smoke coming out of the yellow vehicle that is parked on the road. That is moving on the road,
Damaged car.
sorry.
हाँ.
Come on, Yatharth Verma, we're still waiting. Okay, Yatharth Verma, complete your story. I'll come back to you. Yatharth Yadav, now go on with your story.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. I'm writing the last line there.
Quickly, beta, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to show you one more picture. Come on, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is a picture of a crowded place where they all are busy in their work. By the
Right.
picture, we can guess that the picture is of USA.
From the picture.
From the picture, we can guess that the picture is of USA. There is a lot of shop which is having their separate products. We can see that the painting of a woman at the left bottom of the picture. Ma'am, we can see that two puppies are going to fight soon beside the statue of horse.
Very good.
Ma'am, that's it.
Size. Very good, Shubh. So you tried to, look into all the details that were possible. So Yatharth Yadav, are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Let's get into all the details. He has written a long story, so let's see what he has written.
And by the flag, we can guess that the story is about a city in the United States of America. As before the COVID-19 pandemic, they bought enough necessary requirements, but now the things bought are not enough. So there is a huge short at the market so that the people could buy anything they need. The ambulance is carrying ill patients to the hospital. The
Very
garbage
good.
picking cars are at work. Kids are also playing and cycling. As there is so much mess in the market, the street animals are running here and there. There is also a blind man who is walking in the pavement. As we can see
On the
left-
pavement. On the
on the
pavement.
pavement. As we can see on the left bottom, there is a yellow car which broke out and still is parked at the end of the road, and its owner is checking it. There are some people who have come for cultural activities, such as the man who is playing a guitar, and the painter is painting the roof above the pavement. There is a
Right.
part of the road which is under construction. There is no following of traffic rules. As you can see, the woman is driving the car in top speed.
Very good.
And that's it. That's it.
So you still missed on some details. There is a child crying. There's a woman carrying a lot of gifts. Okay. You could say probably her son's birthday is the next day, or maybe she has bought a lot of gifts so that she can pamper herself, or maybe she has bought a lot of gifts because there are certain events falling in which she doesn't want to miss, and she knows that the lockdown will be there, so she is buying all those gifts so that she can give them to her loved ones. The child is crying, the father is too busy looking here and there that he is not bothered that the milk bottle of his child has fallen down, and the child is crying like anything. Okay,
Then where?
see, just beside
The guitarist.
guitarist.
Beside the guitarist.
Yes, ma'am. The baby.
The child, a small bottle has fallen down.
The car has already broke down, and the owner is now thinking how will he move further to get the groceries which he was going to buy for his family. Okay, the supplies that he was going to buy, because he is already also well aware that the lockdown will be there, and he has no idea as to when it will be opened and all those things, right? So see,
Yes, ma'am.
there are a lot of details in the picture, but everybody has a different perception about the picture. Kriti ma'am, have you written anything?
I have not written, but I have a story in mind.
Okay, Kriti
I
ma'am
think-
will describe the picture, and we all will point out the fillers that she will use, because she has the story in her mind.
Mind.
Okay, exactly. So how how are you sure that there will be some fillers? What is the difference?
Ma'am, because actual reading and speaking is much easier, and we don't use fillers in reading and
Exactly.
And
Because
it in mind.
exactly, when people were reading out, they were reading out something which was written and which was there right in front of them. Now Kriti ma'am will speak out, so we are very sure, pretty sure that at least 2 fillers that she will be using, right? So let's point out the fillers that she will use. Kriti ma'am, please try not to use any fillers, but we will surely point out fillers if you use any.
Okay.
Okay.
So there is nothing like the cool and crisp morning of a city in America. I was minding my own business, driving on the road, but then I saw a blind man trying to cross the crossing. Me being the gentleman, I led him the way to cross the road. Meanwhile, I saw someone in need of help since his car broke down right in the corner of the street. Beside, there was a big statue, or you can say, a big holding showing the picture of a woman showing off her smile made by showing a brand of a toothpaste. I had to take a detour because of some construction work going on the road. I could make out that the city is turning back into its old glory since we have been under lockdown since so long. The children are right there in the streets, the painting, the repair work, the ambulance, everything is back on the track, at least trying to come back on the track. Malls are open. Even the person who should be on the bed because of his broken leg is trying to enjoy the evening, is trying to enjoy the morning by having a walk on the streets. So that is it.
I counted 8 fillers.
Ma'am, 8.
Exactly.
8A, ma'am, one
I
time
did-
I mean.
No, I counted
so
it
that was that
inappropriate
filler that could be
fillers.
used. I mean was right, inappropriate fillers, and I mean was an appropriate filler,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Kriti ma'am has a different perspective. So now you can see that everyone has a different perception about the picture, right? Nobody has the same perception. Somebody is thinking after the lockdown, somebody is thinking before the lockdown. The picture, the story before the lockdown. Even when I saw the picture, in my mind it came like everybody is now dizzying. The lockdown has been is open since maybe 2 or 3 days. Everybody is back to their normal life. Everybody is busy, and this road is quite busy now. People are enjoying their normal routine, but now still we can see ambulance carrying patients. These people are so reckless that they are not bothered. The government has already announced that social distancing is very important, but these people are not bothered about it. They are enjoying their normal life, whereas the medical staff, they are still into it. They are still trying to save patients. The ambulance is still carrying patients who are affected and infected by coronavirus, right? So these things could be there. Okay, so we all can see that some details somebody has put in, some details the others have put in. Nobody had the same perspective about the picture.
I
My
also
God,
have
my
a different
perception-
I also have a
Exactly.
different perception of the ambulance. I think it's not an ambulance;
Exactly.
it's a police car.
Exactly, it can be a
I
police
saw it
car.
as a
It can be
police car.
exactly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I was wondering what it has kept on top. Is it a patient?
No, obviously, Yatharth. Yeah, it can be, because when we'll run short of ambulances and police car, what will happen? The patients will be kept on the top.
I remember she or he is very kept very nicely packed and
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
It doesn't look like a human to me. But yeah, it is packed in a very good manner.
So could you all see that we all had a different perception about what we all saw?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just show you one more picture in which I will not be giving you any time to write. So can you all tell me why am I not giving you any time to write? What is my purpose behind it?
So we should be aware to not use fillers without writing.
Exactly. So I gave you time to write because I wanted you all to write and read. Now I want you all to just quickly, within a minute, as soon as I show you the picture, quickly you will. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
It's a similar picture. It's not a very different one, though the road is not overcrowded. But yes, you can define the picture in a similar fashion you were doing with the last one.
Ma'am, can you zoom it to the tree house? I wanted to see that what is it.
You can zoom it yourself, you know.
No, ma'am, it is not.
Can you see quickly so that others can also see?
It is being a bird, it is a squirrel, I don't understand.
It is a squirrel, beta. Okay, quickly. Okay, Aviral. Aviral. Is Aviral
Yes,
there, ma'am?
Aviral is here.
Okay, Aviral, quickly, your perception about the picture. Quickly. Don't think too much.
This picture is showing us the overcrowding in this ground. This picture also shows how people litter. How people litter garbage on the ground,
Okay.
and how it also shows that how the small child and climbing on the tree house.
Children. It's not a child, beta. There are children there who are climbing. Okay.
And then it also shows that how some people are singing music.
Singing music?
I'm playing guitar.
Just singing, okay? Or playing music.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yatharth Yadav, add on to whatever he has said. Come on, quickly add.
As you can see, there are a number of people swimming in the lake, and there is a child hanging on the tree,
Okay.
and there is an old man taking a morning or a evening walk. And
So how many fillers
There
could you
is a-
point out till now?
Yes, ma'am.
How many fillers could you point out?
Ma'am, 4 times.
Exactly. Okay, Shubh, can you continue the story that he had been narrating?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the peaceful place where the people have come to enjoy their picnics.
People. Beta, it's
People.
people. It's not
People.
people. People का पेड़ नहीं है. People. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue, continue. Whatever you can see in the picture, continue quickly. Shobh, I'm talking to you. Continue, beta. Carry on.
Ma'am, we can see that the painter is painting
A nice landscape.
like that only.
Like that only. He's trying to paint whatever he is watching. The exact
Landscape of the garden.
yes, landscape of the garden. Okay, okay. Who else is there? Yatharth Verma, can you continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, continue.
Here is a person who is painting the scenery and uh, and one person is and here is a one person who is playing with boy and he has weared robot dress and
Yeah, he is wearing a robot dress.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
he wore a robot dress. Wore. There's no word like wore.
Mama, I said where?
Who is wearing, beta? Okay.
Uh, the peoples are sitting.
Child, again and again, I'm telling
sitting.
you, it's not people's. There is no word like people's. If you are using apostrophe, then maybe people's. Otherwise, it is not people's. Even in plural form, you will use people. Continue.
The peoples are playing.
My
playing,
God, Yatharth Verma. Peoples, no peoples. Like it is not children's, it is not people's. Who else do we have here? Who can continue? Anybody's name I have not yet taken?
No, all four are done.
Kriti ma'am, you can continue and conclude the story.
It is a picture of a playground after COVID-19 era, and people are enjoying their evening. The sun is about to set. There are birds in the sky. Elderly are taking a walk on the clear path, and the youngsters are they are jogging on the path. There is a family who is enjoying the picnic time together, and there is someone who is playing the guitar and someone who is drawing the painting of the entire landscape. We can see a bus dropping people off to their homes after the entire day of work. There is someone who is enjoying the evening and doing his work on the laptop, sitting on a chair and a table with a picnic bag by the side, or just a bag by the side. There are two children sitting on the bench along with a baby, and they are trying to either play with it, or I can't make out they are the parents or the children.
They are
Yes.
trying to calm
There
down
are,
the baby problem.
calm down the baby. There are two smaller children who are playing with the ball. There is a policeman right in the middle of the ground to supervise the entire area and to make sure that there is nothing,
Nothing wrong going on.
wrong going on. Okay. And
We can also
that
see
is
an
it.
aeroplane in the sky, which means that this is not the
Air flight.
lockdown period.
मतलब flight restrictions are lifted.
Have been removed.
We
Yes.
can go around. And there is a playhouse on the tree, or a tree house basically, and children are enjoying there. You can see a squirrel since it's a tree. So that is it.
So the
And
conclusion
there is a
can
vendor also, a small vendor also is trying to, sell some snack or something.
So we hope that we will be able to see such a wonderful sight in our life also.
In our area also.
When we come back to the normal life after the COVID-19. Hope that this
Ma'am,
This
I
is a
counted
real
7
picture
fillers.
exactly. So what did you all learn today? What did you all learn from today's class? What do you conclude?
That basically writing and reading is more difficult, more easier than just on the spot.
This is the continuation of the last class. What did you learn from today's class?
Now we are a little bit aware where and where not used.
No, what about the others?
Details and
Exactly.
perspective.
Exactly. Detailing and perspective. That detailing in order to frame a story, in order to, in order to properly frame a story, you need to look into the details, and everybody has a separate set of details in their mind. Right? Your details probably will not match with your friend's detail or your colleague's detail. Okay. So everybody's perception is important. Everybody's perspective is important. This is for your daily life also. This gives you a moral also, children, that everybody has a different perspective towards all the things going on in their or your life. Right? So believing on one person's story is not something that has to be done. You have to look into everybody's story. You have to look into everybody's perspective and then frame a conclusion. Is it clear to you all? You cannot come to a conclusion just by listening to any one person's story. You have to look into, you have to get into the perspective, the observation, the situation of both the parties, or maybe 3 parties or 4 parties. You have to get into all the details and then frame a story. Okay. So detailing is very important. Children, when I am muting you, that means there is a lot of disturbance. Don't unmute yourselves. So detailing and individual perception is very important. Okay?
Right.
I'll
Yes,
send
ma'am.
you one more picture today. I'll send you on WhatsApp. Now you can think of the perceptions that you have and you can correlate. You can show that story to your family or your friends. And what you can do, you can write a story, then share this picture with your friends and try to extract as many perceptions as you can. Tomorrow, I will ask you, the next day, probably children, I will not be there. On Monday, Kriti ma'am will ask you the different perspectives that you have, that your friends have. You will narrate your perception as well as your friend's perception, or your mother's, father's, whosoever's, views you have taken based on the story. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes,
Was
ma'am.
today's session interesting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
learn
loved
something?
it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you learn something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This you have
I'm
to.
really enjoying these classes, these, communication things. I'm really enjoying all this. I don't know why the children are not joining. It is nothing like a class. Does
Exactly.
it feel like a class? Rest of you, does it
No, ma'am.
feel like a class?
So Kriti
I
ma'am, if
don't
you're
feel like
enjoying,
it.
that means my planning is successful.
Yes, it is. It is very enjoyable. I'm really having fun with these things, learning new things, because nobody told me these things while I was a student.
Okay.
It is really new for me as well. I didn't know that there are, useful fillers and some things that can be avoided. I didn't know this. So it is really a new experience for me.
Chalo, thank you so much, Kriti ma'am. I hope the rest
Ask
of the
your
students.
friends, children, ask your friends to join in. They'll learn something new in a much fun way.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
motivate them to come here. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo then. Bye everyone. Have a very good
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
I'll send you a
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Sure, ma'am.
try to extract as many perspectives as you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See ya, children. Bye. Have a very good
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.